Hi, welcome back to Hostpark CA channel and back to the tutorial for C programming language. This tutorial definitely helpful for whoever want to learn C programming and also helpful for writing the GATE University, some of the competitive as well as the university exams. This is a tutorial exclusive helpful for whoever want to learn C language very properly and want to get a placements in IT companies. The previous session I explained about the printf scanf. Please kindly check the playlist and follow the sessions properly, then only you can understand. Today we are going to see the topic called decision control statements or control statement C language. So one of the very important topic and need for a programming language, and we are going to see this topic with some examples as well as the demonstration also. Mostly I will use the online compiler, C compiler. If you want, you can use Turbo or any other things. Let's go for session. So here, decision making is one where deciding the order of execution of statements based on certain conditions or repeat a group of statements until certain specified conditions are met. So in a programming, what you want means you want to take decisions. You are expecting some output means what you can keep some decisions and have options if or not, if else, and like that you can use some options. If your requested output is come, you can stop, or else you can try on one more option. So generally C language handle the decision making by supporting the following statements like if statement, switch statement, if statement, switch statement, conditional operator statement, at last go to statement. Today we are going to see only the if statement. First we will discuss about the decision making with if statement. So today many of the programming follow this concept only is required. Here if statement may be implemented in different forms depending on the complexity of conditions to be tested. The different forms are, what are the different forms or types of if statement? There is called simple if, then if else statement, and nested if, and using if else if statement. So these are the one major concept is there, and in future if you want to understand placements paper or technical C, these are fundamental you have to remember. So what is the format of this one, or what is the form, or what is the syntax of this one, and why we need, how it work like that. So first one says simple statement. What is the syntax of simple statement means if expression, then open brace, statement inside, then close bracket. That means what, if the condition is true, it will execute the statement, otherwise not. So here written here some explanation given here. If the expression returns true, then the statement inside will be executed. Otherwise, what happened? The statement skipped under the and only the statement outside is executed. Let's see the example here. We can get it. So here we are going to see the program called I am just making a1.c. If you want, you can keep any name with the dot extension. Don't forget, and all the statement the C language should be end with a semicolon. So I am writing the program with has input stdio.h, void main I am writing, then int x comma y. So I want to find which is greater or biggest of two numbers or greatest of two number. So I am assigning x equal to 15 and y is equal to 13. Now I am going to give conditions. If x greater than y, printf x is greater than y. Let's see the demonstration here. So just I want to try whether if statement is working properly or not. So if you want, you can void main or int main with return 0 also. Which is you want, you can do it now. This one just I'm typing. So you can change the value runtime also. So here, yes. So return 0. Just I'm done. So what will happen? It will print x is greater than y. If successfully executed means, remember, if you use Turbo C, you have to use Alt plus F9 for compile the program, and if compilation success means you can use the Alt plus F9 to run or view the output. So successfully executed. So here x value is 15 and y value is 13. So x is greater than, condition true, it will print x is greater than y. That's it. Only one option, simple one. Then we go back to the repeat now. Next we see the next one was if else statement. So if expression true, what happens? Statement block only, it go and execute the statement. Otherwise, it will go else statement block to and execute. Remember, if the condition true, it will execute, or else what are the statement the else, it will go and print in the program. So if the expression true, the statement will be executed. Otherwise, if expression wrong, what happened? Skip this one and leave or skip this one and go to the else statement. What are the else statement showing? It will go and print in the screen. Let's go for example here. So let's take the program called a2.c using the else if else statement. So I am writing the program int x comma y, where I am writing x equal to 15 and y is equal to 18 initializing. If x greater than y, what happen? It go and print x is greater than y. If condition true false, if it's true, it will print only x is greater than y. If condition false, what happen? It skip this statement and go to the else part and print y is greater than x. So let's go for execute the program. So you can change the runtime values and do it. You can do it as much you want. As much as you can change, as much you want, you can change the values and do it, no issue. So most of the program you may get two outputs one by one. Just copy, paste. So another option, what you can use printf and scanf option. You can enter the x value and y value and try. So now condition is what? As you see here, the condition is false. Okay, here y value is greater than x. So it will print y is greater than x. Let's go for run the program. Yeah, condition. Yeah, we are executing successfully. It's showing y is greater than x. So if you want to change again, you can just interchange the values. I'm giving now x equal to 18 and y equal to 15. So what will happen? Automatically first condition is true, it will execute this one and stop the program. So I'm giving x value is 18. So what will happen? It will print x is greater than y. So like that you can change the values in the runtime also. Let's back to PPT. So simple and easy. Next if statement. Here the syntax is what? If x person 1, then if x person 1, statement block 1, else statement block 2, else statement block 3. Okay, so if condition, first of all the condition true, then it will go and check the another condition and execute the block. And also if that in the inside the block, that's called nested. That means more than 2 if statement in the same program. Nested means what? More than 2 or 3 if statement in the same program. So if this condition is wrong, what false means what happen? It will execute this part. Suppose the starting itself the condition is false, what happen? It won't go here, directly come to the else part, and what showing the block number, statement block number 3, it go print. Here some explanation given here. So if expression is false, then statement block 3 will be executed. Remember this expression starting itself program is wrong, what happen? Expression is wrong, it will go directly to the else. Otherwise what happen? Otherwise the execution continues and enter the inside the first if to perform the check for the next if block. Then where if expression 1 is true, the statement block is executed, this part. If not there, otherwise statement 2, statement block 2 is executed. Let's go for example, you can get clarity and idea. So I'm going to write using the print scanf statement, program called a3.c. Here I am going to write the program where I am going to give the 3 numbers, input number, for the a and b and c, where first condition I am going to check if a greater than b. If a greater than b only, what if condition true, it will go and check whether if a is bigger than c or not, greater than c or not. Else it will check, it will go and print c is the greatest. We are giving the option. Else if this condition is wrong, what happen? It go and print b greater than c, that b is greater than greatest. Else it will print c is greatest. So let's for execute the program. We have one more mode. So I will give different outputs and show the proof here, how we can easily understand. Don't get confusions here. So simple and easy. So if condition is wrong, it will go directly to the third else block. If not there, it go and check the nested if one by one. I had to remove this. Yes. I think I kept some close brace here. I had to give one more, I think so. Check it. So open, all the statements should end with the C colon and should be having open and close brackets equally. Expert state. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. here. Sorry for inconvenience. Yeah, so I'm going to enter the first. I'm giving just try to give biggest values. A value 12 and B value 5 and C value I'm giving 2. So what will happen now? It will go and check the first loop. If then another option. So it's printing directly A is greatest one. I'm trying one more output. So like that you can check the 3-4 outputs. I'm giving first 4. Next I'm giving 12. Another option give 5. So I will try to print B is the biggest one. Yeah, we are executing successfully. One more output I am showing here. Is showing C is greater. That means this condition are false. 2, 5, 8. Yeah, showing C is the greatest one like that, or biggest number. So like that you can use the nested if easily. Back to PPT. Now go to the else if ladder. Here syntax is what? If expression 1, then statement block 1. Else if else if means what? We can use number of more than 2 else if in the same program. That's the meaning is else if ladder. That means ladder continuously. So I am using else if expression 2 statement block 2. Else if expression 3 statement block 3. At last else default statement. So if first if they check the condition, if condition true it will to execute it and stop the program. If condition is okay, then condition true, then else if condition false it go and check this statement. Again if its condition is true it will stop it, otherwise it again continue. At last these parts are not true means what happen, it will go to else and default statement. What are showing the default statement the program, it go and print. Here the expression tested from the top, remember, and from the top to the downwards, and as soon as a true condition found, the statement associated with it is executed. So whenever the statement true, it will go and stop. Here getting, here stop. Here getting, it stop. Here getting, stop. Otherwise it go to the, if all are wrong, false means it go to the last statement, and by default it print the default statement. Let's go for another mode where you have example program and easily you can understand. Yeah, here program called A4.C. Here I am going to enter the number. I am going to give the simple and easy logic. See, we already discovered the operators, logic operators, what are logical operators, arithmetic operators, and so on. Here, what is the program task is, I am going to enter the A value for A, the enter the number where scanf. I am going to give the scanf here. So first option I am giving A divided by 5 is equal to 0 and A divided by 8 is equal to 0. Then printf divisible by both 5 and 8. First condition I am giving, if I am going to use some common number, if the number is divided by 5 also, whenever the number divided by 5 it should be 0, and also the number divided by 8 also we have to give the 0. Then it will print the answer divisible by both 5 and 8. Another option else if the number is not like that, I will give another different number where the number is divided by only 8, then it will print divisible by 8. This condition is wrong. Another option I am giving another number. If the number is divided by only 5, it will print divisible by 5 only. Else this condition wrong, it will print divisible by 1. So we will go for execution. I will give 3-4 outputs. You can get clarity. So simple and easy. Go for the online compiler back. Online compiler. So just entering one number and using the logical operators. Let me remove this. Let's check it here. Yeah, we are going to execute the program successfully. So I am going to give enter a number. I am going to enter the number. First I am going to give number 40 because you know the multiplication table. 40 is a number where it can be divided by 5 also, and the number can divided by 8 also. Whenever divided by 5 and 8, it will print 0 only. So to print the answer is divisible by both 5 and 8. That means here condition true, it will stop here and execute the task that is condition true and stop the program, execute it. One more option I am going to give the number. Sorry, I again run the program. Don't forget, if you use the turbo, use Alt plus F9. If compilation success, use the Control plus F9. So entire number, just now I am going to give a number where I am going to give the a value is 48. So 48 means what? We can enter by, it can be divided by only 8. So to print answer divisible 8. So here this condition true, it will stop the program now. Similarly, I am giving one more output where the number divided by only the 5, just giving 20. So if you give a value 20, what happen? Whenever divided by 5, it will give 0. You can't divide by 8 because condition given like successfully executed. At last, now I am going to give the a value, different value, that should not, because the number should not be divided by both 5 and 8. All conditions false, it go to the default statement. So I am just giving 11. Enter, it will say divisible none. Yeah, successfully executed is showing divisible by none here. So like that you can understand the else if ladder statement. Back to PPT. Okay. So we are discussed only the decision making with the if statement, only part, because C program is one of the mother language and also very important. If you catch C language, then only you can understand the C++, Java and Python and so many languages. If you have any queries or doubts, please kindly communicate with the social media. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.